Successful business is not just about creating a product, it's about creating the right product in the right way. Value, quality, design, materials, they all matter. And in a global economy, manufacturing those products offshore may be the right answer for you. But global production is hard. Language and culture to start are risky and uncertain. The process is teeming with opportunity for problems, but the high-quality products and savings make it worthwhile. If you have an experienced, collaborative partner by your side, that's where CōDRA comes in. For more than 3 decades, we've been taking ownership of the process, standing fully behind our work and allowing our customers to focus on their clientele. Lots of companies will slap your logo on just about anything. You place an order and get what anyone can get. Impersonal processes producing the same old thing. CōDRA is more. Like a trusted team member, we work to ensure your high standards are met and your customers' expectations are surpassed. We collaborate with you on your design, create a premium solution that surpasses customer expectations, and enhance your brand. We are the collaborative ally you need to find the right manufacturer, negotiate, co-create, and ensure that you receive the best product for your customers. CōDRA. We take the guesswork out of global manufacturing so you can focus on growing your business.